This is our 1968 Dodge Charger named Tater that we rescued after sitting for 35 freaking years. Now, last time I said, I think she needs more horsepower, but that's for next time. Well guys, it's next time. This right here is an 8B71 Supercharger. They're heavy, they're beautiful, and they're practically the best thing man has ever invented. What we are doing today is we're going to put this big ass Supercharger on Tater, and then we're going to go see if she does better burnouts and donuts than she did before. First off, let's tear everything off the old engine, and then we'll start putting shiny, polished parts back on. There we go! Part off the Charger. Oh yeah. When you're putting parts that look this freaking pretty on top of old junky motors like this, nothing could go wrong. Does it go this way or this way? Preston, set it perfectly down. What do you think the torque spec is on this?
What's your impact on?
Oh, you know me so well. I hereby join you in holy matrimony of spacer to intake. You may not kiss the intake. Remember, when you're lifting heavy things, you want to just lift from your back with a good sun jerking motion. This is heavier than my last girlfriend. Practically perfect. I'll get it lined up in a minute. Give me a second. Oh, God damn! Look at that! Oh my God! This is so sexy. Dude, I thought it was gonna be a little bit too big, but it's just freaking perfect. Got a Holley 2x4 Sniper EFI system. I've never wired one of these up. I don't really know how they work, but Sparky over at Holley told me it was really easy to do. So that don't work at all. What's wrong with it? Why don't it work? These instructions must be read and fully understood before beginning the install. Bump it a sec. One more time. I know what I'm doing. Look at that. You're having problems with your fuel regulator? Go get you a Holley fuel regulator. Even your wife will love it. Why is it so tall? This thing's a lot more solid than I gave it credit for. What are you saying? Take that. Bam. There's solid enough. Then we go 90. Bam. There's enough for that.
That might be enough.
You take, oh my God, the band's up. Ta-da! Okay, we got it. Dude, I'm not even gonna lie to you. This is gonna look legit. Oh! It's done! It's finally done! This is what Dom Toretto felt like in Fast and Furious. Oh, it's gonna be so goddamn. Oh. Hold on. Never thought I'd have a blown supercharged big block. Tater, you're getting ready to become roasted taters now. Flip on the switch. If we did everything right, this should boot up right. What? Look at that. We did such a good job. The fuel pump just kicked on. This is gonna be so pretty cool. All right, switch is on. We should be good. All right, go ahead and fire it up again. Is that backfire? What the hell is it blowing out the exhaust?
What's that there?
Nothing. Never mind. Don't look at that. Go ahead. Yep, go ahead. Hey, go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Okay, go ahead. Fire right on. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. We're gonna do some research. I want to do some calling. I need to get a fuel pressure gauge so we can see exactly how much fuel pressure we're running. Should be good to go. You want to get in there and try to start it? Hold on. Okay, go ahead and try it now. Easy, sweetheart. Don't be popping back at me like that. You're scaring me. Ah! surprisingly not. This is not the first time we've put out a fire with Dr. Pepper on the channel. Do we have another spark plug wire?
I suspect we have some.
So we got a new spark plug wire on there. Nothing should catch fire now. We went ahead and zip tied the wires. That way they're not gonna get back on the exhaust again. Fire in the hole. So currently it's overheating, the headers are glowing, oh, and it's blowing coolant everywhere, getting ready to blow up the top radiator hose, so I'm gonna say we need to adjust the timing a little bit. Yeah! She sounds good! Yeah, that's what she needed. She needed a little bit of advance. Dude, after we got that EFI hooked up right, she figured herself out. She's running just like a beast. Oh, shut off, we lost her gasket. She got you rowdy. But there's one final thing that we have to do this before we can take it out of the shop. It's important. We gotta put the big and ugly big old scoop on it.
Later on.
Oh my God! Oh yeah, baby! Yes, if we hold this open too long, it's scientifically going to be proven that pistons will fly out of the bottom of this motorhome engine. Let's go launch some pistons. Oh yeah! A little touchy. It's got the power! Let's go second gear. Let's see if it'll start a burnout second. I can't afford Snap-on. All I got is Harbor Freight. I stole that. I stole that family. You know I got. Oh my God, dude, this thing is straight up dangerous. You know that scene in Fast and Furious was like it had so much torque, it twisted the body. I didn't believe it with his car because his car didn't have no rust, but this one. It's a very good possibility it might happen. Watch, this guy in this Velocity's gonna want to race. You wanna race? Okay. Come on, Tater, don't let me down. I know you're currently smoking real hard out of the breather, but you gotta win this race. If we get outran by a... Okay, we're gonna edit that out. This thing is a perfect daily drive, right? Cruise this thing around anywhere. Don't dial me now! What is that? Why is it doing that? Hold on, let's pull over here. Something's not right. Do you hear a knock or something? Did I already break it? Dude, it's knocking every time I give it any type of gas. You know what they say about engines that are knocking? Keep driving until they don't knock no more. I can believe we already gave it a damn knock. It was just fine a second ago, now she's knocking. The seat's breaking, the engine's breaking, the clutch pedal's breaking. I'm not sure that Tater was much ready for this. Can we go do donuts in the O'Reilly's parking lot? O'Reilly's always loves a good donut or a burnout action. The thing is, if we blow it up here, this is the best place to blow it up. She's not having a lot of fun, I'll admit. I need you to check a couple coats on my car. All right. Let me ask you something. Do you hear that knock?
Yeah, a lot of power.
And there's also a piston that might be broke. Does that mean I'm good to go do donuts, or?
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay, that's what I thought. Okay, just making sure. She might be back firing, but she still smokes out the whole Main Street. Yeah. Did it look good outside?
Yes,
It felt good.
It smells really good.
No, don't worry, Tater's fine. Come on, Tater, we can't have a Honda show us up. Knock's gone and everything. Whatever was in there knocking, we knocked it right out of the way. I don't hear nothing now. Maybe it was just a sign that the engine was being a little just like the cop here. Oh, sorry. Well, we'll just back into a parking spot and call it a day. Would you like to go for a ride?
I get car sick.
You can drive.
That's okay.
Are you mad at me?
No?
Okay.
Do you have your license in your house?
Well, you see, the thing is, I don't have a driver's license.
Management. I'm gonna have to ask you. No, the burnout, man. But I wasn't here to see it.
So you're telling me that I can only do burnouts when you're here?
Yeah.
My man. All right, we got this. So now that the cops have come to tell us not to do that much fun no more, and we don't have no tag on Tater, should we go out in the country where there's no cops and do donuts? You know, the one thing we really need is a nice big place for us to do burnouts and donuts. Some that's concrete, some that's nice. But that's for next time. Until then, enjoy how good Tater looks in the field!